Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a treadmill showdown for you. On the left side, we have the Yagud Under Desk Treadmill, and on the right side, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top.
All right, let's talk about the first categories. The Yagud Under Desk Treadmill comes in at a cool $199, while the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is priced at $369.
That's quite a difference.
So if you're on a budget, the Yagud treadmill might be the way to go. Now let's move on to the features. The Yagud treadmill offers a 2-in-1 experience, allowing you to walk, jog, and run with adjustable speeds up to 3.8 miles per hour. It also has a 2.5 HP powerful motor and a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds.
Plus, it's designed to be quiet with noise levels below 45 decibels. On the other hand, the UMAY treadmill boasts a quality brushless motor with max 3.0 HP, providing efficient and reliable operation.
It offers speeds of up to 8.7 mph and emits only 40 to 65 decibels of noise. It also has built-in handrail heart sensors to monitor your pulse rate during workouts. And let's not forget the 3 different manual incline positions for that extra challenge.
Convenience is key, right?
The Yagud treadmill comes with an LED display and a remote control, making it easy to track your exercise data in real time and adjust the speed on the go. But wait, there's more. The UMAY treadmill takes convenience to the next level with its hassle-free hydraulic system for safe and hands-free unfolding.
No more worries about scuffing your floors.
It also has built-in transportation wheels for effortless movement and storage.
And did I mention the easy self-lubrication hole? Maintenance is a breeze. Last but not least, let's talk about warranty.
The Yagud treadmill offers a 1-year warranty and 24-hour friendly customer service.
Not bad. But hold on tight, because the UMAY treadmill has something special for you. UMAY Fitness stands behind their product with a 5-year warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for parts.
That's an extra 4 years of peace of mind.
Plus, their California-based customer support team is always ready to assist you.
Talk about exceptional service. The Yagud Under Desk Treadmill and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill have received positive reviews overall. Reviewers praised the Yagud treadmill for its compact design, ease of use, and effectiveness for home workouts.
On the other hand, the UMAY treadmill is highly recommended for its compact size, powerful performance, and convenient features.
It's clear that both treadmills have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Yagud Under Desk Treadmill and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill in various categories. Both have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful tips. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.